I will definitely marry her. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for clicking. So guys, like play, Rudyboy Paul Okoye have finally met his new girlfriend Ivy Ifoma, his new wife. In as much as we don't usually see Rudyboy Paul Okoye with his wife when he was married to Anita Okoye, the way we are seeing him with his new girlfriend, being his new wife, it is well. Oh. So he goes everywhere with this girl. Like he goes everywhere, every show with Ivy Ifoma. The love is too much. Oh. It be like saying that this girl be the love of Rudyboy's life. Will not be Anita. That one a mistake, I guess. So finally, Rudyboy have come out to tell us that he will definitely marry Ifoma, that Ifoma is his peg. She's the type of woman she wants. She wants them 10 and small. So we are waiting for invitation. We online in law. Trust us now. We are always here to analyze everything. Rudyboy posts Ivy Ifoma more than the way he posts his ex-wife Anita Okoye. Yes. Like I said, maybe this one is the real love of his life. Anyways, let me allow you watch the clip of both of them together having fun on vacation, be honeymoon. In fact, both of them enjoying their life together. Okay, please sit back and enjoy this video.
Come and eat. Come package and go free.
For the first time. Okay.
What's the trouble? What's the trouble?
He can't even watch it. Okay.
Let's come and eat.
Right?
Only Gen Z's. Why don't you eat that? I'm not going to eat anything. It's not bad, I mean.
Not bad like that. I'm really not sure.
What sauce?
Not a village man.